first of all. So joins is mean by combine rows from two or more tables based on related columns between them. Okay, there are types of joins, so let me list out one by one. So first, left join, right join, full join, and then finally inner join. So first we will see left join. So what is left join? So left join is return all records from left table and the matches from right, matches a record from right table. So let me show the graphical diagram how it is happened. So here I am creating a diagrammatic. So table 1 is a left side table, table 2 is a right side table. Now we are going to intersect, that means all the records are matched. What are the records are matched in the tables, we will show that. So this is left side table. We will collect whatever the details in matched in table 2 we will get from table 1. So this is a left join. So let me show syntax of left join. So first, this is a syntax. So select column names from table 1 and left join table 2 on the table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. Okay, so this is our syntax of left join. Okay, let me show the demo. So let me show in how to work and how it's work. Okay, this is our table. We are already created, right? So select start from employee. This is our table 1, and then select start from employee details. So this is our table 2. Okay, let me show table 1, table 2. This is table 1 and this is table 2. Here we are decide ID is a primary value. This ID value we want to call in second table. So table 1 underscore ID. I just call this primary values in second table. So when we call means then only we will going to merge two table. Okay, so let's start our join query. So select e dot employee name comma d dot date of birth comma d dot team. Okay, from employee on left join employee details D. So D. Okay, sorry, keyword is not here, only on e dot id equal to d dot table 190. Okay, let me show the execute the statement. The left join has been worked. Here we joined. Here the e is an object name, so employee object name, so only I just call the e here. So e going to call this table name, then going to call the employee details value, so table. So both the thing we will merge and get the value of two tables. We're going to merge all the two tables. Okay, so I'm called the first table 1 employee name, table 2 date of birth and team. So in table 2, so those details we will display the output here. Okay, now we want to order by order. We will use the, now we are going to sort out the output, so based on alphabets. So okay, based on employee alphabet, based on alphabet way. Okay, I'm going to use order by e dot employee name. Okay, then should be caps and e should be caps. I just write that. Yes, it has been alphabetic added in this place. This is our left join. Okay. Yes, next section is right join. So now we are going to right join means, so return all the records from right table to who are the matches in left table. Okay, just show the graphical representation. So this is table 1, this is table 2. What are the records are matched in table 1, we are going to shift over in table 2. Okay, next syntax. So select column values from table 1, right join table 2 on that table 1 column name and table 2 column name. Okay, let me show the example. So as it is same for left join query, so I'm just right join query of our table. Select here we whatever want now display. So select first d dot team, so team comma and then d dot date of birth comma, and then I'm going to join left side of left side table e dot employee name from table 1 table 2 value, sorry, employee details right join. Here we missed out object name, that means d, and right join employee and then e on d dot table 1 underscore id. Okay, equal to e dot id. Okay, let me execute. Yes, we get the output for the right joining. Okay, team date of birth and the employee name. Employee name is an table 1 value, and then date of birth and team is right, sorry, table 2 value. The table 2 value, table 1 value, and measure in right side of table 2 value. Okay, this is on the right side of table 2 value. While we want to merge in a left side, means we want to write left join query, and otherwise we want to merge in right side, means right side, we use right join query. Okay, sorry. So next we are going to see full join. Okay, what is full join? So what are the records are matched in table 1 and table 2, both values are going to merge in full join. That is full join. So let me show the graphical. So table 1 and table 2, overall whatever the values is we match, everything will be going to intersect in one table, so one output. So that is in full join. Okay, so I am just showing the syntax of full join. So select column names from table 1, full outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. Where the condition, so where the condition we want to we want any condition we want to apply, means then we will be going to apply it in that. Okay, so let me show you example. Select E dot employee name, comma D dot team from the employee should be small, object name caps E, full outer join, employee details, it should be on E dot ID equal to D dot table 1 ID. Okay, and just skip these two things into second line. Here should dot, okay, the employee spelling, so just repaste it. Okay, now we will execute. Okay, everything has been matched in table 1 ID, table 2 ID. So everything has been matched, so the output will become okay. Now we are using a where condition. So where condition means whatever else we want to, we will use where condition. Now I am using some condition by order by. It is a sorting the output. So by employee name. Okay, it's arranged in alphabetic order. So already I am discussing in left join, right? So like that only the full join also list out it. So now we want particular, means particular ID, where condition ID equal to just mentioned 7. So I mentioned E dot ID equal to 7. Okay, this is our condition. This is a condition. Here this is sorting the output. So this is an order by. Okay, so this is outer join, full outer join. So now finally we are going to discuss about inner join. So inner joins, what are the records we are matched in both the tables we are going to merge. Okay, let me show the graphical representation. So table 1, table 2. So in table 1 we have the 10 records, and table 2 we have the 10 records. What are the records we will merge? In table 1, table 2 we are going to merge, that is inner join. Okay, so let me show the syntax. So syntax is select column names from table 1 and inner join is table 2. So on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. Okay, let me show the example. This is our all table. So now I am write command of inner join, select b dot employee name comma d dot table 1 dot hyphen id comma e dot address. Okay, and then just one more call I called in table 1 in salary, inner join table 2 is employee details, I'm using D. Okay, on okay, sorry, here I'm just missed it. Table 1, call table 1 value, from table 1 value is employee, table should be caps e dot, now the error is gone. Okay, and then caps e and dot id equal to d dot table 1 id, table underscore id. Okay, I'm just select all the command line. Okay, this is our inner join. What are the records we will match in table 1, table 2? So everything will be matched and show the output. This is our inner join. Okay, sorry, thank you for watching.